Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this Roblox 280 error on PC. So first of all, you want to open up your installed apps. Just go ahead on the search bar and write down installed and it should find installed apps and you will be here. Now you want to find Roblox and you're going to click uninstall button. After you will do that, you go ahead and search, write down run. Then this will pop up and you want to write %local app data %. Open it and here you want to try to find Roblox folder. Now I already deleted it, so there's none for me. But basically you will see Roblox here and you want to go ahead and just delete that folder. After you have deleted the folder, you want to go ahead and restart your PC. And once you have restarted your PC, you want to go ahead and reinstall Roblox. So for example, you can go ahead to the Brave browser, write down roblox.com. Go ahead, connect here, and for example, let's play the game. Once you click play, download and install Roblox, click on it, and just like so, you will be able to download Roblox player. And that's pretty much it. Your problem should be fixed. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.